universe is a skin that conceals another universe. Rap 3 times on the wall. Somebody might hear you. Oh, Mr. Universe is a motherfucker. But he's hit more home runs than anyone in the history of baseball. Virgil, can I borrow your laurel wreath? I have a hot date tonight. Oh, who's Virgil? Well, he owns the Texas Barbecue in Times Square. I told him, Virg, in curved space, many parallel lines can pass through a single point. So, if you wish to see the stars at noon, you must first accept the tricky truth that light can curve and light will stop at nothing. Sunshine girl, this light is yours, and you deserve it.